here is a to the power 5 plus 11a minus 12 is a dividend. It's a dividend. And here a square minus 2a plus 3, it's a divisor. First, a to the power 5 plus 11a minus 12. So here is a square minus 2a plus 3. Look, here is first term a to the power 5, and this expression first term is a square. First we have to divide this one. So here a to the power 5 divide a square, it means a to the power 5 minus 2, it will be a to the power 3. So we can write in the result section a to the power 3. It means a to the power 3 times a to the power 2, it means a to the power 5. Then here is what? Minus 2a. So minus 2a times a cube. What does mean? It means 2a to the power minus 2a to the power 4, but here is nothing. So this one we can write in here minus 2a to the power 4, right? And then here is plus 3. So plus 3a cube. Now in general method we will subtract. So here is minus, here is plus, and here is minus. So a to the power 5 minus a to the power 5 out. Here is 11a, here is minus 12, here is plus 2a to the power 4, and here is what? Minus 3a cube. Now here is 2a to the power 4, and here is a square. So this one we can write like plus 2a square, right? So 2 times 1, it means 2, and a square times a square, it will be a to the power 4. Okay. Now minus 2a plus 2a square, it means plus and minus minus, minus 2 and 2, it will be 4, a square times a, it will be a cube, right? And then plus 3 times 2, it's a 6, then 6a square plus 6a square. Now again we will subtract. So here is 11a minus 12, then this is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. So this one and this one out, and here is plus a cube, right? And here is minus 6a square. Now our target to meet a cube. So we can write plus a square times a, it will be a cube. Then here is minus 2a and here is plus a, so it should 2a square, and obviously use minus. And then plus 3 times a, it should plus 3a. Okay. Then again this one is minus, this one is minus, and this one is plus. So a cube and minus a cube out. So here is 11a minus a, it will be 8a, and here is minus 12, and here is minus 6a square and plus 2a square, it should minus 4a square. Now our target, what? Here is a square, so here is also a square. So we can write minus 4, right? Then minus 4a square, and then minus and minus plus 2 times 2, it will be 8. so 8a, and plus and minus, it will be minus 3 times 4, it means 12. Now look, here is minus, here is plus, and here is plus. So everything we can cut. 8 minus 8 out, minus 12 plus 12 out, minus 4a square plus 4a square out. So here is 0. So here is no remainder. Therefore, our answer is, we can write answer, which is a cube plus 2a square plus a minus 4. This is our required answer. So it's a very important math. We should keep practice at home seriously. Otherwise, once you are doing less practice of this math, naturally plus and minus will mistake and you will get 0. But once we carefully handle this one, you will get 100, right? So no more today. It's a very important math. Try to practice at home. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel Home of Math. Thank you.